Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to connect your Nothing ERA to two phones at once. So first of all, pair your Nothing ERA with the first phone. I did that through Bluetooth. As we see, we're connected. I did it through Bluetooth and Nothing X application. It's important to use the application for the dual connection. So now open up Nothing X application. At the top right corner, find this gear icon. In here, you're to find your dual connection tab. Tap here and press to enable it. Alright, now grab your second phone. Make sure to enable a Bluetooth, so you can do this into your settings. Now, make sure that both of the earbuds are in the charging case. Find a button on the case and hold it. So press connect and press setup. Now they have been paired to both devices, to the iPhone and to my Android device. As you see in the connections tab, in the dual connection tab in our Nothing X application, you can see both of devices are connected. Now to disconnect, simply turn on the Bluetooth on the unwanted device, and as you see, the tick has just missed. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.